Hello everybody, this is Aviation Blue Tech coming to you with another video. Today is going to be a continuation of my construction update of my JFK airport. I'm almost completed. Just got to do some touch-ups here and there on the jet bridges, like putting the signs up. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to show an overview right now of the airport. As you can see, that's the JetBlue gates in the back there, and the other side is going to be part of Terminal 4. I'll go into more details in a bit. Here, this stays the same. The Terminal 7, which is the British Airways terminal. This right here is the Delta wing. It's going to be basically a domestic wing. So it'll be mostly narrow bodies. Even though those gates have the capability of doing also wide body. And then this one is basically going to be Terminal 4, mostly Delta. And I think Aero Mexico is moving in, and KLM. So on this wing here is 23 gates, mostly a wide body. I think there's 2 gates that could only, the biggest it could go is 757, but basically goes all the way down. This is mostly international. And then to the right of that, it is the CRJ, basically commuter Delta connection gate terminals. It's 11 gates, just like the JFK one, just like the one in JFK. So basically, it's going to be just domestically on that, and as you can see, just basically got on one terminal. So instead of splitting into 2, so let me pause for a second and let me move over to the other side. So here in the middle, it's hard stands. I do have another Gemini terminal that I could put another 22 gates, so it's kind of set up in case I ever want to expand. So JFK does have a lot of planes that remain for a while, so this is a good parking spots for those aircrafts. 22 spaces. Going over here to the Delta terminal. So you can see there's 10 gates on that side. Basically just that one with the 757, that's the only one I think you could only put on narrow body. But on the rest, everything else, you could put the wide body aircrafts. So on this side is the rest of the wing for Delta. That's the rest of the gates there. So here you can see the British Airways gates. Pretty much nothing changed. I just the thing I changed was the gates right here. I put double gates on this side, and then right here, instead of making 3 gates, narrow body gates, I made 2 wide body gates. So that's the overview. So on the JetBlue terminal, I put it basically, as you can see, I moved it over. That's the front. It's got 19 gates on the main terminal. So you can see on the other side, I got the hard stand spots. I got 5 of them. So this terminal is going to be 11 gates here for JetBlue. So be mostly the international. There will be 6 gates here that will be international, just like the real JFK terminal. And on the back, the wide bodies, that will be basically Terminal 4 B side, which is uh, mostly international carriers. I know Virgin America is going to be moving um, to I think British Airways Terminal 7. Um, so basically, right now, that's where this will occupy for the international carriers, Terminal 4, Wing B. Okay, so here's the closer look to the Delta Connection terminal with the 11 gates for the Embraer and CRJs. Here's a closer look for the front. And here's the view from the four gates in the back. Here's the view for the hard stands. And here's the main JetBlue Terminal view from the back. Alright, so let me show you guys my parallel runways for my JFK terminal. 21 left and 21 right. Alright, so let me give you another look overview for the JFK terminal. Upstairs I have the American terminal and Terminal 1, so let's go up there and take a look. Okay, so here's the American and Terminal 1 terminal setup of the JFK airport. There are 44 gates up here. Then these are my cargo spots. I believe I have 7 wide body and 1 narrow body. And the runway, 16 left and 34 right. So again, I have a room for expansion, but I don't need it in JFK. So once I decide to do another airport, I could basically add gates if I need to. Also over here, I got the other terminal. I have 22 gates, narrow body, pretty much completed there. This is for future expansion or for different airport when I decide to do another airport. I just have it set up basically. So right there, as you can see, that's the lineup for the arrivals when I start doing it. I already have it set up. I believe it's the 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So there you have it. So guys, thanks for watching. This completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So pretty much gonna start doing my continue the JFK update. I'll probably start this this week. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and if you like the video, please hit the like button. So I'll catch you guys later.